Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a double light portrait composition. Start with your portrait on a black background and then duplicate the image and change one copy color to blue tone. Offset slightly to one side. Do the same with red tint copy on the opposite side. Now mask each light to half of the face and add soft glows around both sides using brush strokes. Increase contrast for cinematic lighting, and now paint subtle smoke behind for separation. And also add particles for motion feel. Apply curves for deep shadows. Use hue saturation to refine color harmony, and add your title in the neon font at the bottom.